Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Pokemon Toxel. So let's just start by drawing the right side of his face first with just a slight curve which goes down to his cheek, a shorter curve, and then to his nose, and then his left cheek will be bigger, so just a wider curve, and this is gonna go to a spike, so we'll wait on that for a second. But right here is the midline of his face because it's turned to the left here, so right here just go off to the right just a little bit and draw a shallow line for the top of his eye, and then underneath then will be another curve for the bottom of the eye. And now we can draw his iris, and the pupil will be right underneath. There's a shadow underneath the lower lid, so let's just darken this a little bit so that it's like a crescent. Just like that. You can see how it's darker right there. So then right on the other side then will be the other eye, and because it's turned, it'll be foreshortened. So this line right here for the other eye will be kind of short, and the bottom of the eye then will also be foreshortened. So just a shallow half oval. Again, you've got the iris and the pupil inside. We'll darken the bottom lid just like the other eye. On his forehead, he's got this lightning bolt, so let's just start by drawing a line right here that goes towards the middle, and then a shorter line to the right, and then this is going to go up, and you can just vary this lightning bolt. So then we're going to come back on both sides, go back up, and we'll start going to the left here, and then finally we're going to go straight up to a point. Okay, we're going to add a detail line here in a little bit once we use our finer pen. So let's finish the head. So this goes up here, and this is going to go to a spike. There are 4 spikes coming off his head, so right here we're going to just draw a curve that goes up, round out that tip, and it's going to go back towards the head, and the top of the head will be up here. So we'll continue that spike down and then go this way for the top of the head behind the lightning bolt, and then we can draw the other spike that comes off here. So cross this line with your curve, and then there's the tip of the spike. Form the shape, triangular, and then here's the base right here. So if you can imagine that this is an oval, and you see half the oval for the base. We'll also draw another line here to show the base of this spike, just like that. Alright, so now we can continue the shape of the head, and it's gonna come down over here, and then there'll be another spike right here. So cross that line just like the other spike, and then start heading back, and then just like there we're gonna kinda indicate the base, and now we can finish off the cheek. There's also another spike on the other side, so we just need to show a soft pointed triangle. And finally for the head, let's draw his tongue that's sticking out, just a curved line, and then a line that shows the center of the tongue. Let's go to our fine point for now and draw that inner outline detail on the lightning. And I'm just going to draw these parallel lines on the inside of our lightning bolt. As well as draw these circular spots on his cheek. So these are just ovals. And another one on the other side. Okay. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a shadow line. Some shadow lines. And these just indicate like this part here is darker because it's in shadow versus right here. Okay, and right here this is kind of a form shadow. It could also be a cast shadow where this horn is casting a shadow onto this part of his head. Okay, next we're going to go on to his body. So coming off the cheek then will be the left leg. So coming off here, let's just draw a line, curved line going forward, and then on the other side by the armpit we'll go down here and widen a little bit. So make it a little bit wider, and then from here we'll draw two partial ovals to show the toes. So from here just draw a partial oval, and then we're going to draw another one right here. So starting the corner of the oval right there and go across. So now we can finish this line, and maybe just an indication there, the change between the leg and the toes or foot. So let's draw the right leg. Coming off the cheek here, we'll just go ahead and draw a line that goes down and kind of indicate the toe there and back. Alright, so let's draw this bib-like contraption under his head. So it's just going to be a line that goes like this. So go down behind the leg and back up. Okay, so now we can start drawing the belly. It's going to go this way, and the back leg will be coming off here. So I stopped the line right there, and so let's go ahead and draw that. So here's the top of the back leg going down and then curving back forward, and we'll draw a fold line here to show that it's starting to bend like the knee is right here. Curve it in, and this is where the toes are going to be, just like here, but they're, of course, they're going to be a little smaller. So partial oval, and draw the other toe like that. And then now we can finish off the leg by connecting this line. So let's go down to the toe, and that's the back leg. We can finish this line now. Alright, so let's draw his butt. This line will continue on behind the leg, up, and we'll go ahead and finish off the back, but not connect to the line. So now coming off the back then will be the tail, and you can just draw a wavy line, soften up the tip, and then start coming back, getting wider as you get to the bottom, as you get to the back. Going back again to my thinner pen for some shadow lines as well as details. So you're just going to have a highlight right there and a separation of colors right here. All of this, the right leg will be in shadow, but we'll go ahead and draw a cast shadow line right here, and maybe form shadow line here and here and back here. Let's also draw the right rear foot, and we're just gonna barely see it, so let's just draw the toes here, and again some shadow lines. So finally I'm gonna go ahead and darken some of the outlines just so the detail lines of the body will be separated from the main outline of the whole thing. Because the foot's more forward, I'm just gonna make these lines a little bit thicker, kinda to emphasize it. And I also try to, not only do I make it thicker, I also vary the width so that it's not all the same thickness. So I'm trying not to make the back leg outline as thick as the front, just because it's further back. Alright, so there you go. This was Toxel, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you got something out of this. And if so, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I try to upload every day, and I will see you at that next video. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.